Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix critical errors, Start Menu, and Cortana aren't working in Windows 11 and 10. So for our first method is to restart Windows Explorer. So just right click your Windows icon and then click on the Task Manager. And here you have to locate your Windows Explorer and then right click this one and then click on Restart. And after that, the issue will be resolved. So for our second method is we have to access to disable automatic hide taskbar. So just open your search icon and then click on the taskbar settings. So here, just scroll down till you see the taskbar behaviors. So just click on it. Then make sure to uncheck this one. Okay, so let's check this and then uncheck this right after. And after that, your issue will be resolved. Next is to restart Start Menu in Task Manager. So just right click your Windows icon and click on Task Manager. So here, just go to the details and then look for the Start Menu experience. So just right click that one and then click on the End Task option. Then right after that, your Windows 11 and 10 will be fixed. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye!